During evening time, there is good.
Can we go there?
You go. We will go.
There's a grocery there?
Yeah.
No, grocery is there. There some grocery. The supermarket maybe check there and some grocery. Some like supermarket, not big.
What do you think, ma'am?
Back to that lake. Back,
Titingnan ka niya si Ro.
back to that.
Ma'am, kanta ka naman, ma'am. Kanta ka naman.
Ano kakatay dito?
Kunyari MTV music video, Angel Sky.
No, Philippine music.
Philippine music, kailangan ko ikaw. 1, 2, 3, go. Kailangan ko. Dali, tapos may partner ka, partner. Ay, to, si kuya, partner mo. Koy, ikaw. Dali. Dali na.
Nakakaya, tumatawa. Ano ka ba, Mr. Blush?
Mr. Blush? Kanya siya something.
Namumula talaga siya. Ano yung ginawa ko? Bakit namula siya kanina dahil?
Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Dali, anong pangalan mo?
August? July?
August? August! July! Leonard. Wow! Leonard. Prince Leonard. Itong hinahanap mo, si Princess Fiona. Princess Fiona.
Tulungan mo nga.
Hindi na.
Where are we going, huh?
Doon.
Ewan ko.
How about you? You know
It's
where
up
you're
to you.
going
He's going with you. I'm going with you.
Nga, hanap ka tayo. We're going to find a fishnet.
Fishnet? Really? We will buy fishnet? Fishnet? Oh, Miss, please help her.
Oh. It's being stupidness, you know, nahirapan na si Mana. Bakit sa alam na nahirapan sa...
Crazy woman.
Tayo na nga. Hindi tayo na, hindi. Para lang maalo
Kasi
tayo.
dyan mahal dyan oh. Pumunta
Mahal
ako
ba?
dyan, mahal.
Pupunta ka na dyan? Halika na, Mr. Blush. Huwag ka mahiya.
Ano dito? Yung lotion dyan, tag 25. Yung shampoo, tag 11.
Saan, saan?
Dyan, sa Venus. Parehas naman sa ano, 23 lang.
Ano ba?
Yung sa
Sino, bakit may grocery ba dyan?
Wala. Hindi man dyan walang grocery.
Hypermarket.
Hypermarket there, near the trade center.
International Mall.
International Mall, no, trade center is...
Trade
like
center.
Hypermarket, I think it's
What do you
there.
call that one?
Venus Mall.
Mall. No lotion there, no.
Mayroon silang lotion pero ano,
Mahal?
yung stall lang.
Nasa stall. Hindi.
Wala silang talaga yung grocery store nila.
Oh, wala
No,
silang
I'm not like her.
Yeah, yeah.
So, mga damit,
No, ah. Look.
1 million.
No.
So we're going here. Oh. So you
Uy, baka mabangga.
Jonathan and
Uh-huh.
this is Prince
Si Shame guy.
Yes. Mr. Blush.
Mr. Blush.
Yes. You know what? I've been enjoying.
Ano yun, may aso?
I've been enjoying, with our companionship of these two persons. Yeah. You know why?
Oh. Kausapin mo siya. Sige na. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm tired, no?
You're tired?
Let's...
For how many? For how many?
So, saan ka sa Pinos? Lalo pa daw.
Malayo to, Ning. Pupunta talaga tayo.
Yeah.
Pupunta talaga tayo?
Layo kasi ng hypermarket, guys.
Kaya nga.
Sa ano? Saan ba talaga? Saan ba tayo?
Kasi mahal.
Hypermarket tayo.
Saan yung
Sige, doon nga, una ng konti.
Wala lang, konti. Basta konti lang ha.
Oo. Kasabi natin yun. Sige na, go. Kaya na, sige, kailangan ko yung mag-exercise, you know, to make my body strong.
Wow.
To make my body sexy, you know? Because I'm maintaining my sexiness.
Sexiness. Sexiness. Sexiness.
Tama na kayo mga English mo.
Sinong English teacher mo? Nasumbong ko nga to.
Kaya sabi kami sa tama, naluloko kasi sa inyo. si Sir Thomas lahat.